Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or deny repeat callers while do not disturb is turned on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on notifications. In here you want to go down and tap on do not disturb. Next we go down to the bottom and tap on calls, messages and conversations in the exceptions section. In here go down and tap on repeat callers toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. Now if you turn on repeat callers, it will allow calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. And that's it. That's how you can turn it on or off. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.